Yung mga owners, raise your hand nga, owners. Ito, real talk ha. May GC ba kayo o Viber group? Alam nyo bang meron pang isa? Na hindi kayo kasama? Hindi, real talk lang to. Alam nyo ba yon? Oh, now you know. One time, we were in the US, nasa MIT kami, Massachusetts. No? Nagtitraining kami doon. Merong na seminar kami ganyan. Yung isang American lumapit sa akin, Max, are you Filipino? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, yes. Sabi niya, you guys are crazy. Sabi ko, why? Sabi niya, come here. You know, my Filipino managers, every time we meet, this is what they say. And then I say, do you have any questions? And they say, So, what's wrong about that? Sabi niya, they're crazy. Ask me why. Sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, why? You know, after the meeting, I noticed all my Filipino managers, they go to the coffee station. And they have another meeting in the coffee station. So sabi ko, what did you do? I end my meeting early and everybody goes to the coffee station where the real meeting happens. So kung ikaw, manager ka, alamin mo na meron. And that's a flag. Why? Because whatever business agendas needs to be discussed should be within the official channel. The fact na may backdoor channel na, there are things that are not already open to discussing with you.